In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set A4 as the default paper size in Microsoft Word. If you regularly work with international documents, you've probably noticed that A4 is the standard outside of North America. Setting it as your default saves time and ensures your formatting looks consistent from the start. I'll show you how to switch your current document to A4 and then how to make that choice stick for all new documents you create. First, let's change the paper size for the document you have open. Look along the top of Word and click the Layout tab. In the Page Setup section, choose Size. A menu will drop down with a list of common paper sizes. Click A4. Your document will immediately adjust to A4 dimensions, which are 210 by 297 millimeters. This change affects only the current document for now. To make A4 the default for every new document, stay on the Layout tab and look closely at the Page Setup section. In the bottom right corner of that section, there's a tiny diagonal arrow. This is the dialog launcher, and it opens the Full Page Setup dialog box. Click that small arrow. Inside the Page Setup dialog, confirm that the Paper tab shows A4 as the selected size. Now, click the Set as Default button. Word will ask if you want to change the default settings for Page Setup. Choose Yes to confirm. That's it. A4 is now your default paper size. A quick note on how this works behind the scenes. When you click Set as Default, Word updates your normal template. That means every new blank document based on that template will start on A4 automatically. Existing documents won't change. They keep whatever size they were created with. If you ever need to work in a different size for a specific project, you can still change it document by document from the Size menu without affecting your default setting. If you don't see A4 in the size list, make sure you're looking under the standard options in the drop-down. Also, remember that your printer and region settings can influence available sizes and print behavior. Word will let you lay out in A4 even if your printer is set to another size. But you may see a warning when printing if the paper in the tray doesn't match. From now on, new documents will show A4 selected under Layout and Size. That means fewer clicks, more consistency, and a smoother workflow. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the time you'll save with A4 set as your default.